Adjust and secure a primary flight control cable. You're on final approach when the aircraft feels slow to respond to right aileron input. You correct harder, but the roll lags. On the ground, inspection shows the aileron cable had slackened, enough to delay control response. This highlights why correct cable tension and secure attachments aren't optional. They're critical for safety. Primary flight control cables transfer movement from the cockpit to surfaces like rudders, elevators, and ailerons. These cables are routed through pulleys, pass through fairleads, and are adjusted using turnbuckles. Some systems also include tension regulators to offset temperature-induced expansion and contraction. Before touching a turnbuckle, the aircraft must be leveled. Use the manufacturer's designated leveling pegs and a spirit level across reference points on the fuselage. This ensures the frame is neutral, allowing for accurate tensioning and alignment. To begin adjustment, measure the existing cable tension using a calibrated tensiometer matched to the cable size. The tool presses a plunger between hardened anvils to offset the cable and display its tension. Readings are cross-checked with the manufacturer's tension chart, with adjustments made for ambient temperature. If adjustment is needed, rotate the turnbuckle barrel while holding the end fitting steady. The barrel has left-hand and right-hand internal threads. Always rotate both terminals equally and ensure no more than 3 threads are exposed at either end to preserve mechanical strength. Once the proper tension is reached, secure the turnbuckle using the double wrap method with safety wire. Some aircraft use special locking clips or hardware. Always follow the manufacturer's approved method to prevent unintentional loosening during flight. Next, inspect the routing. Ensure the cable runs smoothly over pulleys with no signs of skipping or jamming. Pulleys must rotate freely, and guards should prevent derailment. Fairleads should guide cables in a straight line without deflecting them more than 3 degrees. Pay extra attention to critical fatigue zones, where cables pass over pulleys, through fairleads, or near swagged fittings. These are high wear points. Use a clean rag to feel for broken strands and inspect for corrosion, especially in areas like wheel wells or battery compartments. Look for pressure seals at bulkhead pass-throughs. Ensure retaining rings are present. Missing rings can jam pulleys. If a seal grips too tightly, it may restrict cable motion. If too loose, it can compromise pressure integrity. Adjustments must always be completed per the aircraft maintenance manual, using proper torque values and documenting actions in the logbook. In the end, accurate tensioning, secure safetying, and thorough inspection keep the flight control system responsive and your aircraft airworthy.